My partner and I founded Dive Design about 2.5 years ago. One of the things that we really became ingrained with over the course of that time, over the last, I'd say, year and a half, 2 years, is additive manufacturing, so 3D printing. When we met up with the founder of Bionic Pets about 2 years ago and expressed to him that we'd love to try and solve one of his challenging problems, he presented the full limb prosthetic to us. And so dogs who have gone through a traumatic injury, whether it had been an accident or cancer and had some type of limb removed, we would help them. And we designed a custom digital tool along with 3D scanning and 3D printing to bring this to life. And so now we do about 20 of these a month. This is a small part of our company. It's only about 15%, but it's something that we use to really highlight what's capable with additive. We talk about mobility on this show, and I think there's still so much to be learned about mobility along with additive. It's just an emerging technology that I think has yet to truly been harnessed, if you will. And so we really want to be on the forefront of showing companies how they can harness additive manufacturing to skip going overseas, the wait time, lead time, minimum order quantities, and so on. We print the wheels for the prosthetics right now. I think that's as far as we go. Tires for cars, I can tell you that we're not far off from it. The machines are there. The materials are close. It's just a matter of how do you combine the metal banding inside of the tires with the 3D print, but we are not far.